Let's get to the point. Naiyak ako sa New Year's Eve fireworks sa Quezon City Memorial Circle last year. It was gorgeous, impressive, and I encourage all of you to visit pag naghahanap kayo ng ganap this New Year's Eve. Pero may mga advice ako sa inyo in case you visit. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. 3 years na ako pumupunta. The best for me yung 2021 and maraming room for improvement sa event last year. Here are my tips. Number one, make sure may sasakyan ka pa uwi kasi pahirapan ang taxi at angkas after the fireworks. Number two, last year nag-perform si Vice, so of course puno ang venue. Pati bathroom lines mahaba. So please kalma lang sa dami ng drinks na kinokonsume. Number three, ubos ang chairs and tables ng park last year, so please bring a picnic mat or kumain na kayo before arriving. Number four, speaking of arriving, the best time to arrive I think is 10:30 p.m. kasi kaunti lang ang chairs na matatambayan. Kung hindi naman important sa inyo to watch the whole program that lasts for how many hours, arrive late na lang. Number five, pahirapan sa sukle sa mga food vendors. I suggest have enough load sa GCash nyo. Number six, damihan nyo ang power bank. Also save your battery and phone memory to take pics and vids sa fireworks. Huwag ubusin sa selfie starting 6 p.m. Things the organizers can improve. Number one, considering ang daming tao who watched Vice last year, sana hindi gawing restricted ang maraming grass areas ng circle. Kaya lahat kami nakaupo at nagsiksika na lang sa kalye. Number two, sana may break sa energy level at intensity sa mahabang program. Sana hindi palagi nagsisigawan ng mga hosts. Sana may mga quieter performances and hosting din alternately para may variety. Para may pahinga rin ang audience mentally at sa tenga. Number three, sana may regular cleaning ang bathrooms. Kakaunti na lang ang bathroom na papabayaan pa sa cleanliness dahil sa dami ng tao. Sana damihan din ang number of portable toilets. Overall, I was impressed sa fireworks display ng Quezon City government last year. Nakaka-emotional talaga manood ng fireworks. They help us remember the magic in life and the magic inside of us. And I'm super proud of my city, Quezon City. Click follow for the next story.